Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to fix Roshade not working in your Roblox account. So make sure to follow all the steps. First of all, just make sure that to go to the search bar, or you can just click on Windows, and from here just search the application Roblox Player. Write down the name or Roblox Player, and once you find this, just right click, or you can just click on this section, Open File Location. And once you click on Open File Location, just right click again, and from here just make sure to again open File Location, and you will basically send to this folder where the Roblox player is installed. So from here, make sure to just right click on Roblox player beta, and you can just, if you're like on Windows 10, so you'll be seeing a pop-up like this. So just click on properties, and in properties go to compatibility, and in compatibility turn on run this program in compatibility mode for Windows 7. Change it to Windows 7, run this program as an administrator, and disable full screen optimization. Make sure to turn these options on. Click on apply and click on OK. And once you do this, just scroll down and you will see like Roblox player launcher as well. Again, right click on it, go to properties, and just go to compatibility and change this one as well to Windows 7. Disable full screen optimization and run this program as an administrator. Click on apply and click on OK. And once you do this, hopefully your issue will be fixed. So that is a simple and easy process of how you can solve if your shade is not working.